Hey guys, it's Jennifer and I'm back with a whole new video for you guys. So today, as you can see, we're at a really strange and boring spot in my house. I want to do a different kind of video today. I want to do a Christmas related video. So we're going to do a gifts under $100. Yeah. I want to do it in like this weird setup as if I'm on my own little talk show. Hello. So, I have two gift ideas for you guys and I'm so excited to share them with you guys because I am gifting them in like a week. The first gift package idea is going to be a travel kit. So, I came very ill prepared. I'll go get it right now. As you can see, I bought everything from Winners / Marshalls / HomeSense. Yeah, because that is the most affordable. So what I like to do for Christmas, I like to do a lot of gifts that are like kind of like bundles, kind of like gift baskets, or just have an overall theme to them. Because I think one, it looks aesthetically appealing, and two, it just makes sense all together. Kind of has a storyline to it, and yeah, so that's what I did. So for this travel kit here, the first item I picked up was this neck pillow thingy bobber, because these neck pillows are an essential when you're traveling. To go with that, sorry, this is like a mess. I should probably, how am I gonna do this? Ooh. We've got ourselves a little side table now. The next item I thought would go really, really well with this gift package is a photo album. So this has a travel theme to it. As you can see, it kind of has the globe, the map of the world and stuff all over it. It kind of has a nice color palette to it as well. So the black kind of goes in with it as well. So it looks really, really nice and color coordinated. And now, this is a travel kit with like, what is it called? Like nail cutting stuff. Tools. It's just like a kit with like nail cutters, tiny little scissors, what are those called? They pluck hair. What is that called, Wilson?
Tweezers.
Tweezers! And this one actually comes with a nice little storage container as well. So, or like, I don't know if it's called a storage container, but some sort of baggie to put it all to make it a lot more cuter and easier to travel with. So if you are gifting this to someone who is a world traveler, not just like a local traveler, this is a great essential to have when traveling. This is an outlet or an adapter, I suppose, that makes it, what is this called? Why can I, how do you pronounce this word? Universal. Oh, got it. Never mind. Oh my god. Anyways, it's a travel adapter, so basically in different parts of the world they have different outlets and stuff like that. So instead of having a traditional outlet like this, they might have a different one, and this adapter allows you to still use your traditional Canadian or American outlet, but you plug this in the This is actually super, super cool, and I'm super shocked that I found this at Winners / Marshalls, and it is a scratch globe. What I wanted when I was picking out this gift idea, I wanted like a giant like poster that was like scratchable so you can scratch off where you've been, but this is so much cooler. I've never seen this. So this is like a giant 3D globe made out of like cardboard, and it's all gold foiled, and then you scratch off the gold to reveal a color, and that shows where you've traveled to. And I think it was such a cooler take than just like a traditional poster, just because the poster is ginormous and it will take up an entire wall space, which not everyone will have, but everyone should have space like on a shelf or on a desk to have this little scratchable globe thingy. So this is such a cool idea. I think this adds like a little more quirkiness to the overall gift ideas. And last but not least, I surpassed the budget for this gift idea actually. So the idea is to only spend $70 because it is a family Yankee Swap situation going on here. But I surpassed that budget by $5, I think, because I felt like this was an essential. This is a little, what is it called? Travel tag, or like a luggage tag. And I felt like it was just necessary to have because it's a freaking dog. This and this and this, all this together, when I wrap it up it'll look a lot nicer, but right now all this together costs about $75, and this is such a great gift idea for anyone. So if you're doing a Yankee Swap like I am, so it's hard to find a gift that's both gender neutral and also age appropriate for everyone. So in this Yankee Swap, it's for people ranging from the age of like basically 20 all the way to like 60, close to 70. So like it's a huge age gap. But what I know about all of them is that they all like to travel, or they have traveled before and hopefully plan to travel some more. So I thought this gift idea was really, really great. Oh no, I don't know how I'm gonna get out of this. Alright. Alright, so for the second gift idea, also the last in today's video, this again was around $70. I think we actually hit exactly $70. If not, we might have went over it by 5 once again. But I love gift baskets, like I said. So of course, every year I try to do as many custom gift baskets as I can because I love them so much. So if you guys didn't know, I opened up my own shop called littleslipbook.com, and I sell clothing online. And ever since then, I've always been supportive of local businesses and small shops. But now that I'm in the industry myself, I'm super, super, super extra supportive of it. So I wanted to do a gift basket that kind of had some local products as well. So my boyfriend and I are from the Niagara region, which is like the wine destination in Ontario. So we went to a local winery and picked this bottle of wine up. Okay, so this is the first item we picked up. I'm actually really scared to break this, so let's not put it in the basket right now. But you get the gist. That's what we picked up. Local, shop local, support local. Yes. So we wanted to do like a meat and cheese board situation thing here. So we found a vendor that sold local meats here, and they had a deal going on, so we got 3. You definitely don't need to pick up 3, but if there's a sweet deal, I mean, I suggest you get the sweet deal. And some local cheese. We only got 1 piece of cheese, but still, it's locally made. That is what we picked up from a local farmer's market. So that's kind of the place to go to. In our specific area, we have a lot of local shops and whatnot. I'm sure if you search around your city or town, you're going to find a bunch of local places, and you're going to be amazed at the selection they have. I definitely suggest starting off at going to like a farmer's market type of situation, because that's kind of like where you're going to find a lot of them in one spot. So definitely check out the farmer's market and then explore the rest of your city to see if there's other local businesses out there. So I picked this up at, I think, Chapters, and they had it on sale for like $10, y'all. That's real cheap for a really nice cheese board / cutting board, or I think it's just a cheese board. But I thought it would be really cute. I don't know how I'm going to situate it in this basket, because I actually thought this was smaller than the basket. You can definitely find like locally made cheese boards and stuff like that, but this idea came after I already bought this, so we already have this, we had to run with it. The next couple items that we wanted to add to this gift, because we felt like it wasn't enough, we did manage to find some coasters. So these are actually, oh my god, the heaviest coasters ever. We chose these ones in particular because we found them to be the best quality. They had like a lot of wood ones, and I thought that would look really nice since a lot of this is already wood, but they weren't the best quality, and we didn't want to cheap out too much because we still want this gift to be practical, and you know, we want them to use it for a long time. Man, that guy that packaged our winter stuff last night, we need to leave him a Google review because he is great. He did such a good job packaging our stuff, Weston. Anyways, the next item we picked up to add to this is olive oil. So I definitely thought of this idea after we had already went to like all the local places. But you could definitely find local, I'm sure you can find olive oil, like locally made olive oil at your farmer's market and whatnot. But we didn't think of that until after. So we did pick this up while we were at Winners. And yeah, and that kind of completes the whole thing. Okay, so once we this is all packaged together, what I typically do with this, obviously this is not the final look of it, but I can't package it right now because these have to go in the fridge for another week because we're not gifting it until a week from now. So I can't really wrap it all up and make it pretty right here, right now. But what I typically do is I put everything together and try to make sure it stays kind of still for a little bit. Lift it up, and then you want to slip in a cellophane, is that what it's called? Like a clear wrapping paper. And you want to slip that under it, and all you want to do is grab it from the corners, and then you tie it, and you've got yourself a gift basket made by you, which makes it more special. Alright, so that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this like really weird way of filming. I've never done anything like this. I feel like a freaking talk show host and really weird, and I feel like my little display here is lacking and isn't actually cute at all. But I did what I could. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments down below which gift idea was your favorite. I honestly love both of them, so I can't pick. I might also be biased. So yeah, have a wonderful day, a wonderful life, and I will see you soon. Bye. Oh no. Bye. Oh no, it didn't even turn off.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I wanna fly, baby, fly with you. Yeah.